Okay, this is a very short video. This is a 1982 Porsche 924. The 24s and the 44s are the same in this respect. Here's this black seal part dries out over time. I had to replace it, so I got a replacement. And one post that I had seen, the guy talked about lubing it up with dish soap and working a way around it. The problem with that is that it ends up bunching up in that one place, and it's almost impossible to get that pushed down in there. If you try using something sharp, like even the end of a screwdriver, you're going to poke a hole in it. So I started thinking about how they got this on in the factory. Obviously a machine puts it on, and if you think about it, it's meant to go on all at once. So all I have to do is, you do have to lube it up, stick it on there, make sure it's centered, get a 22 millimeter socket, put it over it, and just push on it. You don't have to push real hard, it'll just pop right in. That's the simplest and easiest way to do it, so it took me a couple of minutes to figure that out, and I just thought I could save some other people some time. Thanks for watching.